In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. Whether you're working on a new project, editing your masterpiece, or simply trying to refine your emails, enabling this tool can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in to ensure you're making the most out of Grammarly's AI features. To begin, let's make sure you are set up in the right environment to access Grammarly efficiently. You'll want to open up Google Docs or your preferred web browser. Grammarly integrates seamlessly with these platforms, especially if you have the Grammarly extension installed already. This setup is ideal as it allows you to smoothly use Grammarly's AI capabilities without any hassle. Now, turning your attention to the screen, you need to locate the Grammarly icon. It's a small circular icon with a G inside, and you'll usually find it residing in the bottom right corner of your document or on your browser's toolbar. If you notice that you haven't added Grammarly to your browser yet, this might be a great time to download it. Having this extension enhances your writing experience by offering real-time suggestions and corrections, so it's certainly worth it. Once you've spotted the Grammarly icon, go ahead and click on it to open the Options menu. Here, you'll see a variety of features listed. Among these, one feature that stands out is the light bulb icon. Clicking this light bulb will take you into the AI Writing Assistant mode. This is where you'll find a host of creative suggestions to improve your text, perfect for when you're brainstorming ideas or keen to fine-tune the tone of your writing. After selecting this mode, it's your turn to write a prompt. This is where the magic truly happens. Go ahead and type in what you'd like assistance with, whether it's drafting a speech, writing an article, or creating engaging content for social media. Inputting a clear and precise prompt is key. The AI will generate relevant suggestions tailored to your needs, making your writing process smoother and more efficient. If you're someone who prefers using browser settings for navigation, there's an alternative route to explore these features. You can access everything through your extensions. Simply open your browser's extensions menu, locate Grammarly, and click on it. Here you'll find various options related to its functionality and settings. Lastly, let's ensure all your generative AI toggles are enabled. Within the Grammarly settings, there's a section where you can turn on all AI features and toggles. Activating each toggle is vital to access the full spectrum of capabilities, including tone adjustments and intelligent suggestions. Make sure each one is set to On to optimize your use of Grammarly's AI assistant. With these steps, you're now ready to unleash the full potential of Grammarly's AI writing assistant. This powerful tool can help you become more effective and efficient in your writing endeavors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the enhanced capabilities of your Grammarly assistant.